Ayan guys, for today's video guys, magpakain tayo ng inakain na ibon. Siguro gutom na to guys.
So that's why you're the best. So all of you, I'm grateful. Talk to me, Lola. Tell me. I know this year we were telling us, not telling her. You wanted to say. I'm going home. I'm going to Canada. I will never see you. Guard!
Yan guys, yung ibon natin guys. Bali ano niya lang yan guys. Kakipisa lang. Isang araw pa lang ngayon guys. Yan. Isang araw pa lang yung ibon natin. Kaya parang ano pa siya. Di pa gustong kumain yata. Yan, anong ibon kaya to guys? Kasi
Karena dua nata asi. Nalatan ako sa akong balay.
yan guys, nagugutom. Yung itlog pala nito guys, kulay green. Kaya di ko alam kung anong ibon to eh. Kasi itlog pa lang to. Ngayon, kakipisa lang kanina guys, umaga. Sila ngayon. Yung pinapakain pala natin guys, dinurog na chick booster.